Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time it's an unboxing and a review video of the Itek Karaoke microphone and speaker. So this is basically a Bluetooth speaker with a mic built into it. It's got echo control and a volume control on it. So what this does is basically it's a standalone speaker. You can use it as a karaoke speaker. You can just sing through the mic and then the speaker will give out the sound. But it gives you an additional feature of connecting a phone. So you can sync a phone with it and run a music on here that will come out of this plus the sound that it hears from the mic. So that way you can do the karaoke singing. So you get a lot of karaoke apps, a lot of karaoke music on YouTube that you can just play and then sing along with that. So I bought this for situations where there are parties at home, and after maybe like 4 or 5 drinks, then your inner singer comes out and then you want to sing. So at that time these kind of devices are pretty handy. Now that is one reason that I bought it. The second reason was that this looked like a good choice for a gift for a child, because I've seen a lot of these kind of devices, the mics for children that they use to sing nursery rhymes in, and then if you put a YouTube video over here, you can just play that and then a child can sing. So that was my second purpose. But I'll tell you what happened later on. Let's unbox this. So let's see what all do you get with this. So basically it's a portable speaker, built-in microphone, rechargeable battery, Bluetooth technology, and it's also got an auxiliary input. So you can connect a aux cable and then connect it to any device which doesn't have Bluetooth maybe, and use it that way. So let's see. So with this device you just get a charging cable, nothing else, charging cable and the device itself. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now I have already opened it up before. I have used it. I have misplaced the USB charging cable somewhere, that's why you'll not see it in this video, but it's a white it's a black charging cable. So that's all that you get with this. So that's it. We'll keep the box aside. So that's the device. So there are only two input ports. There's a micro USB port and a 3.5 port over here. Now this does not allow you to put a earphone and listen to music. I've tried that. It doesn't work that way. It's just an input port. It's not an output port. Let's keep that aside. Now, the scary thing is the safety information. So I read the manual. Normally I don't read manuals that much, but this one I read and I found some things which were scary. This says that do not leave this product unattended while connected to power supply. Now I don't have a habit of putting something on charging and then waiting for it to finish the charging for 1 or 2 hours. I cannot stand there. I normally put it there and I leave it and then later on come and unplug it. This should not be done that way. This should not be kept unattended. So that is one scary thing for me. So that means it might, something might happen. And it says do not use if unit has been dropped or damaged in any way. So if you drop it, you can't use it. So that's what the manual says. What else? Okay, the scary thing. Keep this product out of reach of children. And below that it says this product is not a toy. So children, no, you cannot give it to children. It's not a toy, so you cannot give it to them. It's only for matured adult people who can stand there and see this thing charge and do not drop it. And I mean, yeah, that's what is expected from a matured adult, that they do not drop it. But yes, after 4 or 5 drinks I cannot guarantee that. So that's why I did not do unboxing of this after seeing that. But I've been using it for past 2 months and nothing has actually happened to it. So I have even kept it on charging and forgotten, and nothing has happened to it. It has fallen so many times that I've lost count and nothing has happened to it. And it is really flexible. So it moves like this and it's pretty good. So let's go ahead and sync it and then see what all this can do. Okay, so now let's do a demo. Now I'll play a ringtone over here. I'm not going to play a music because of copyright issues. So I'll just play a ringtone and then just say something random words like 1, 2, 3 on this, and then you yourself will see how good it sounds. So let's play an iPhone 8 ringtone. One, two, three. Let's go. Okay, so you heard, I mean, I just said 1, 2, 3 and let's go. But that simple thing with music changed everything. Okay, so let's talk about the build quality. Now, the build quality is pretty good, even though I did not expect the build quality to be that great because it's an Itek product. But one complaint that I have is the mesh part. There are some points over here which are protruding, so you can see that. So that will hurt you. So you'll have to remove that. On my piece, the one that I got, this was a problem. Maybe when you get one, you may not have this problem, but I have this. So the mesh was not fit in properly. So that should have been looked into. Okay. Other than that, it's fine. I thought this rubberized part will be bad. It'll come off very easily, but it moves a lot, but it did not come off as yet. So this has gone through a lot of torture. I have used it for some time, and you may be able to see a little bit of bent part over here and all the places because it has fallen so many times, and still nothing has happened. It works fine. The volume button though is, I mean, the buttons are all plastic. I'll talk about the buttons later on. This is all plastic, this is all metal, this is metal, this is plastic, this is metal. It works fine. What it advertises, it does that very nicely. Just that it's not for children. Do not give it to children because the pamphlet itself has a warning on it that you should not give it to children, and do not keep it on charging unsupervised. So all these things really makes me concerned that should you buy it or not buy it. That's why I did not make this video till now, but I've been using it for quite some time, and I like it, and it's pretty handy device. The build quality is good, even though the mesh was a problem for me, but the build quality is good. It has fallen so many times and nothing has happened to it. The sound quality is also good enough for a speaker this small. It's good enough. It's got enough of bass and treble, but it's not a party speaker, so you cannot really put it in a party and then expect to have good music from it. This is for karaoke. You can use it as a speaker, but not a party speaker. So all in all, excellent product. If you want to buy it for $9.99 from the Chroma store, go ahead. You will not regret it. The only concern is that this volume button does not really work. That just goes off and on. That's what happens. Echo function is excellent. Once you turn on the echo and start singing, you will sound much better. As in, I don't have a singing voice, but with this, it sounds like I have a singing voice. So if you want to give it a try, go ahead. You can try it out in Chroma store. You can just take it, tell them that you want to try it, and then you can try it and see if you like it or not before you actually buy it. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.